All right, folks, welcome to video number 6 of the course, Exploring the World of YouTube Shorts for Businesses. In this video lesson, we are going to cover content creation ideas for YouTube Shorts. Those of you about where to start from and what types of video would you make, then not to worry. Today in this video, we are going to share with you some incredible YouTube Shorts video ideas. Excited? Well, let's get started. Quick hacks. We are in a busy world where we all like to do things as fast as possible. Share interesting hacks that can be related to any topic that you are interested in, or it can be a trending topic that's going on around the world. Also, show some tricks that viewers can follow which will save their time. Repurpose your horizontal videos on YouTube. Look at your top 10 videos in YouTube Analytics and extract one main point from one of those videos to make a short video out of it. It could be the beginning, middle, or end of your video, or putting multiple sections together in less than 60 seconds. How about demonstrations? People love demonstrations more than lengthy videos because it's short and just gives the main points. Instead of giving a detailed 20-minute demonstration, condense all the points down in under 60 seconds. Answer a question. Create videos on answering questions of users using YouTube Shorts, so you can condense the answers into a few seconds. It challenges you to get to the point right away, but it respects the time of your viewers. Tutorials. Create tutorial videos explaining concepts step by step to your viewers. One of the keys for a successful YouTube Shorts video is to stick to one main point instead of covering too many points in a short amount of time. Your Shorts video content should be able to stand alone as a single piece of content. Promote a high-performing video. Look at the top 10 videos on your channel that are getting the most traffic. Then select one of those videos and do a Shorts video on one point of that video. At the end of your Shorts video, promote your high-performing video by linking to it in the end screen. The purpose of doing this is that you are attracting new viewers that are browsing a short shelf on their mobile phone and redirecting them to another video. Storytelling. If you tell a personal story of how you struggled with something and then overcame it, it will create an emotional bond with your audience that struggle with the same situation. Trending topic or latest news. If there is a trending topic or a hot news item related to your niche, you can jump on it right away by creating a Shorts video. It will take you much less time to film, edit, and publish the video than long-form content. Tips and tricks. Focus on one powerful tip or trick that will help your audience. The beauty of doing this is they can just focus on one thing that will keep your audience engaged for 30 to 60 seconds. What you do often is link to a related video in the end screen, so when a viewer finishes watching the Shorts video, they will continue watching a regular video on your channel. Use humor and entertain. Use humor and entertainment in creating Shorts for your channel. This can be some funny things that happened to you when you made videos, or a blooper. Make sure it is some way relevant to your channel and audience and not just a random video. Mindset shifts. Give your audience a mindset shift. We all have a mindset shift before, and suddenly the whole world doesn't feel the same anymore. So what you can do is that if you are a coach or teach people something, tell them the mistakes they are making, what they are doing that is waste of their time, or tell them how they should do things differently. Develop a YouTube Shorts marketing strategy. Marketing on YouTube isn't just about producing ideas. You need to tailor those ideas to your brand. To do that, follow these simple tips and ideas shared in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video lesson.